Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that owns the domain. This ensures you can access billing and domain settings. Once signed in, open Google Domains and select the specific domain you want to renew. Make sure you note the expiration date, current billing method, and any pending verification tasks. These items affect renewal options and timing. If a payment method is missing, add one now so the actual renewal step proceeds without interruption. Don't skip this preparation. Now proceed to the registration or billing section and click Renew or Manage Renewal. You'll see choices to enable auto-renew or to renew manually for a period, commonly 1 through 10 years. Pick the duration that fits your plans. Review the price, applicable taxes, and selected payment method so there are no surprises. Once you select Renew, Google will charge the card on file. If you want to change the card, do that before confirming. Keep an eye for confirmation prompts. Finish by confirming the transaction and verifying the updated expiration date in your account. A receipt should arrive by email. Once renewed, make sure domain settings like whois contact info, name servers, and domain lock status remain correct. This prevents unintended transfers or lapses. If the payment is declined or the renewal shows pending, retry with an alternate card or contact your bank. If transfer is in progress, pause renewal until transfer completes. One key troubleshooting tip: check billing alerts and spam for the confirmation email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.